This electric car sounds just like a V8 engine. Enter the Dodge Banshee, a revolutionary car concept that not only looks but drives like a classic gas-powered muscle car. Before dismissing it as just a concept, consider this. Dodge has officially confirmed that the Banshee will hit the roads in 2024, though the specifics remain under wraps. Dodge is calling this car the SRT Banshee, and they're making big promises. They are confident that it will be even faster than the current gas-powered Hellcat models. What's even more exciting is that the Banshee will have a special kind of transmission and exhaust system to make it sound like a powerful Hellcat V8 engine. Would you trade your gas car for this electrifying innovation? Share your thoughts in the comments below.